Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare Hyundai Elantra versus VW Jetta, which is better. Pay attention to ride comfort, interior quality, fuel economy, safety features, and price differences to decide which fits you. I will walk through engine options, technology highlights, typical maintenance concerns, and resale expectations in simple terms. By the end, you should feel confident choosing the car that suits your budget and driving priorities. Both cars handle daily driving well, but they cater to different tastes and priorities. The Elantra leans toward a comfortable, relaxed setup ideal for smooth commutes, while the Jetta favors a firmer, more engaging feel for drivers who value feedback. Engines are tuned for efficiency in base trims, and turbo options offer quicker acceleration. I will compare acceleration, braking feel, and stability so you can match the driving character to your needs. If you're enjoying this comparison, please subscribe and like the video to support more car content. Quick recommendation. I use leak-proof meal prep containers that seal tightly and fit neatly in cup holders and center consoles, making lunches spill-free on road trips or commutes. They're durable, microwave-safe, and perfect for either car. Check the description for the link and other deals. Then now let's get back to the video. Interior comfort and long-term ownership matter as much as performance, so I will walk you through seating comfort, ergonomics, infotainment ease, and cargo practicality. Consider warranty coverage and typical maintenance when estimating total cost of ownership, and weigh resale expectations if you plan to trade or sell. I will point out which trims give the best value for features and which options are worth prioritizing for daily life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.